Okay.
But can you admit the students till
Yeah, I will. I will
12:10,
admit.
sir? Because
I
students
will
will
admit.
join. Okay,
I
sir.
will admit now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If some case someone wait means inform me, I will admit.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, my screen is visible for you. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I'm having problem in drawing the last sum of the assignment, the side view, sir.
Okay. So most of them asking that same side view. I will tell at last of this problem.
Okay, sir.
You see, this is that problem I gave now roughly. I will show you. You know the very simple question. The corner is resting. Correct on that sixth problem.
Yes, sir.
So you up to this you know very well that. So rested corner. I drawn a pentagon. In this you have any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
No. Then what is the third question they give? The surface is inclined to HB or surface is inclined to VP?
30 degree to VP.
Yeah, surface is inclined to VP. So we need to tilt this surface is inclined to 30 with respect to inclination. Then after that, we project this means we'll get the final position. That is the fourth position we got. I'm drawing approximately. Okay. So after that, if you connect these points on, we'll get the final shapes. I'm drawing as approximately, okay. Without dimension, I am drawing. With, up to this, you drawn.
Yes, sir. Up to this, I'm drawing.
Okay. After that, for side view, always we need to draw a 45-degree line. That's meter line. Directly, we can draw procedure. If you let's say three views, you know very well means we can draw directly the side view. But in this, we did not know the exact position. For that, we are going to follow a 45-degree meter line. So for all side views, we need to draw a 45-degree line. So okay, and next to the top view only. I told where the side view will come next to the top view or next to the front view.
Next to the front view.
Yeah, next to the front view. So first draw a, after completing this four step, draw a 45-degree line. Okay. After that, connect these points. What are the points meeting is there? Connect these points. So some case here A is there, no? A. Here B and C like that is there. Point is there means point 8. Then after that, same horizontally you draw from front view also, all from all the points. Then this A, some case A here you mark here means mark a point here. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash.
Okay, understood, sir, how to do.
Okay, now you understand.
Yes, sir, I was having that doubt only, whether the
Okay.
line has to be at 45 degree or 30
No.
degree.
This 30 degree for surface inclination only. Only one inclination only they given.
Okay, sir.
Then after that you connect this wherever this A meeting point. Here B meeting point, and here C and D meeting point. Okay, then after that you connect it. Okay, this you connect. I think this like only it will come. I'm thinking. I did not know exactly where it is. The front view and the side view, I think for this question it will looks like a same like only. I am approximately drawing, okay? You check it on connect. Any doubt on no side view? Always you need to draw 45 degree line. Here only.
Okay, sir.
Cut again. Cut again. Is there or not? Okay. Any doubt on side view drawing? Okay, next we go for one of the problems of today's problem. Okay, what geometry is given here? Read the geometry. What geometry is given? And tell me how to draw. What is the
Rectangular
procedure?
lamina.
Rectangle lamina. What are the dimension they give?
60 mm by 30 mm.
See rectangular lamina geometry is given. So you see rectangular lamina size zone. The rectangle there is a one longer side, one shorter side is be there. So two dimension also given. Okay, 60 into 30 is seen as a square in the top view. When it's rest on one of its edge on HP and perpendicular to VP, draw the projection of the lamina. Find the true inclination of its surface with the HP. Draw the front view of the lamina when it is about tilted is inclined at 45 degree to VP. How to draw this problem? What they give? What you understand this problem? Tell me, pa. Lamina, you know, that is a geometry is rectangular. The size also given. The surface inclination is given or not? This question, surface inclination is given or not? Where is resting? Rectangular, where is resting?
On the HP.
Okay, it's resting on HP. Okay. Okay, rectangle lamina of size 60 mm, 30 mm dimension is given. The square in the top view. When it's rest on one of its edge on HP and perpendicular to VP, draw the projection of the lamina. Find the true inclination of the surface with the HP. Very easiest problem if you understand means. But it's a twisted question, but very easy. Very easy, guys. So you see the rectangular lamina dimension is how much is given? 60 into 30. Correct? 60 into 30 is correct, apa?
Yes, sir.
So draw a square, rectangular. First we need to draw a true shape. After that only surface inclination, final only edge inclination. So in this the surface inclination is not given. but we need to find the true inclination. That is find the true inclination of the surface with the HP. So we know that surface inclination will come on HP only, we need to find, and for that they given the square in the top view. How to draw this problem? Any idea? Already we drawn one circular lamina problem, like minor axis problem. Any guess? Tell me fastly.
Sir, first we will make the projection line and draw the front view.
First we need to draw a rectangular of size of 60 into 30. Okay, I am not going to draw a dimension. So first draw a rectangular, because what they told, when is rest on one of its edge on HB and perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection of the lamina. So directly I am drawing as a one of its edge on HP, and finally I am projecting. So directly I am going to project a points on lamina. Tell me the naming. What are the naming it will come? A, B, C, D. Here what are the points are visible? A dash is visible or invisible?
Visible.
B,
Visible.
C,
Invisible.
D.
Invisible.
Okay. This is the normally we will draw. If surface inclination they will give means directly we tilt the A dash and D dash, B dash, C dash line we will tilt. But in this question, surface inclination they didn't provide it. But instead of that, what they given? Instead of that, what the int is given.
All the sides will have to be 30 mm for square.
Yeah, what they given, the square in the top view, the rectangular lamina size is 60 into 30 mm. Okay, is seen as a square in the top view when is rest on one of its edge on HB and perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection of the lamina, find the true inclination. This is a true shape we drawn. In this first and second case, this is a true shape that we drawn. Okay, the third shape we will draw a surface inclination, but in this question the surface inclination they didn't provide. Instead of that, the fourth step is given. Fourth step, what they told, that looks like a square. So in the shorter dimension, how much is there? Shorter dimension, how much is there?
30 mm.
So we need to draw a square of 30 mm. First draw a projection line. Okay, projection line. In that draw a 30 mm square, because that is a shorter side. Thus looks like a square. All the sides are equal. So draw a square of 30 mm first. Okay. You have any doubt on this?
No, sir.
Then after that, what are the names it will come here? A,
A1, B1, C1,
A1, B1, C1 and D1. Now, next what is the next procedure?
We will draw vertical lines above.
So, vertical line. And in this, they told us a inclination. So, for that, we did not know exact dimension. So, for that, directly draw a vertical line. Okay, vertical line towards the, because I am directly A1, D1, I am keeping on reference line. Why? Why I am directly A1, D1, I am placing as a reference line? Our tiltation with respect to A dash or B dash? We need to tilt the inclination. We want to find A dash is the center point or B dash is the center point.
A dash.
So for that only I am drawing A dash and B dash. After that measure. Okay, measure it. How much A dash and B dash is there? Okay, from A dash to B dash, how much is there? Measure it. Okay, measure it. Then you can use a compass. Then you say A dash. Here, what is the point? A1 dash bracket D1 dash. With A1 D1 dash, this center point, cut it on arc on that vertical line. Okay. Now, what that point? This point. What is this point name?
B1 dash.
B1 dash, C1 dash. After that, connect these two line points. After cutting a arc with A1 dash as center, a point. Now we got the inclination or not? Inclination we got or not? No.
Yes, sir.
This is the surface inclination. We need to measure it. How much is the? We need to answer is there is a surface inclination is equal to 35 or 50. Like what are the inclination is there? Measure it and mark it. Okay. For my case is 70 is coming, but I am not drawn with the measurement. That is a dimension. Without dimension, I am drawing. Till now, you have any doubt? You see, guys, a rectangular lamina 60 into 30. First, we need to draw a rectangular lamina of 60 into 30. After that, projection. That is a first and second step. Then third step with the surface inclination, they will give some of the question. But in this question, they didn't give us a surface inclination. Instead of that, they gave us a view. The top view looks like a square they given. So directly from the ABCD, the true shape of rectangle, I projected the horizontal line, this horizontal line. After that, in that I drawn a square of 30 mm because our rectangular lamina one side looks like a square like. Is correct or wrong? One shorter side looks like a square or not? All side.
Yes, sir.
So that is for that case I am drawn as a square of 30 mm equal side. Then after that I projected the line, the projection vertical line towards upward. Then I am measuring A1, A dash to B dash. Then I am keeping this A1 dash as the center. I am cutting an arc. What are the dimensions? The same dimension I am cutting on this vertical line. Then I am marking say B1 dash, C1 dash. Then I am connecting these 2 points. After that, if you measure means we will get the surface inclination. Okay. Next, what is the another dimension is given? Draw the front view of the lamina when edge is about how much angle? Edge is about how much angle? One dimension is given, one angle is given. Inclined of how much?
45 degrees.
So 45 degree to VP. So you see, first we after the drawing, draw a 45 degree line of thin line. We need to transfer this fourth is the third one, this is the fourth one. We need to transfer this fourth one or first one? This is the fifth step we need to draw. For fifth step, we need to duplicate the fourth or first one. This diagram we need to draw or first step we need to draw, true shape or fourth step? Yeah, we need to transfer on this 45 degree line. Now what they told, draw the front view of the lamina when the edge is about which is tilted at inclined at 45 degree to VP is given. This is the first and second is the true shape. Then after that tilted position. So we need to transfer this fourth step or first step.
Fourth step.
So we need to transfer this fourth step only. What are the dimensions in the fourth step? Measure it. So in this also, the specifically they provided any edge. This edge only need to come or the longer edge, anything they provided or not? They didn't provide it. So measure it C1 to B1, then directly mark it on C1 and B1. And that perpendicular line, because C1 to D1 is just perpendicular line, then connect it, then join all the points. Okay, now what are the points here? A, C2, B2, A2 and D2. After that, what is the procedure? We drawn a top view. Then after the sixth step, what is the procedure? What is the procedure? It will meet the A2 and C2 will meet on same line because that is a square 45 degree. Then same horizontal projection. Then mark a points on there with A 2 dash, B 2 dash, T 2 dash, and this one is a D 2 dash. Finally, connect all the points. It's a thick line. This is the funnel shape. Any doubt? It's a 45-degree line inclined to BP is given. After drawing a 45-degree line, measure this image, this fourth step only we need to convert for fifth step. What are the dimension in fourth we have drawn projection? Same dimension will be on duplicate. Okay. So measure it C1 to B1 because they told us any one of the edge. When the edge, any one of the edge only. So you can take any edge C1 to B1 I taken. So measure it, then mark it on that C to B2. What are the dimensions? Is 30 mm will be there. So mark it on 30 mm. Then same dimension 30 mm, 30 mm square only. After that, project it from A2 to vertically upward projection line B2, C2, and D2. Same horizontal projection A1 dash to this vertical line. What are the meeting points? This A2 and A1 dash will meet at the got at the A2 dash. This B2 and B1 dash will go meeting point will got as the B2 dash. C2 and C1 dash will got as the C2 dash. Then D2 and D1 dash will get as the D2 dash. After that, we connect as a thick line, we get the final front view. Yeah, any doubt? You draw with the dimension, okay? This is your homework. Regular pentagon. Kumaresh, read the question.
Sir,
Read the question.
a rectangular pentagonal
Rectangular.
lamina.
Rectangular or regular?
Regular pentagonal lamina of has one edge in HP and perpendicular to VP and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. Draw its projection when its surface is inclined to HP, inclined at 45 degree to HP.
Okay. Aishar is there? Aishar. Aishar is there or not? Balaji.
Sir,
Balaji, what geometry is there?
pentagon.
So pentagonal laminas, the side dimension is given or not?
30 mm.
Okay, where is resting? Where is
One edge
resting?
in HP and perpendicular to VP.
Okay, one edge is chippy and perpendicular to VP. Which like means the pentagon will come below reference line or above reference line. Horizontal plane where it will come below the reference line. Okay. Surface incline where is given?
30 degree to VP.
Surface inclination or final inclination, that is.
Sir,
I'm asking surface inclination.
45 degree to HP.
Okay. Harigaran. Hariharan is there or not? Aishan, tell me the procedure. The question is given and both inclination is given and where is resting also given. Tell me procedure how to draw these problems. Tell me guys, anyone tell me how to draw this problem. Tell me guys, it's open to all. Anyone tell how to solve this problem. Tell me the procedure. Open your mouth, Ra. How to solve this problem? Anyone tell me how to solve this problem? Lamina has a pentagonal geometry is given, side dimension also given, edge is also given, where is resting also given, inclination what, inclination, surface inclination also given, final inclination also given. How to solve this problem?
Sir, that pentagon is in HP. We will draw it below the reference
Okay.
line with the edge on the left
Okay.
side.
So first we need to draw a reference line. So pentagonal is a edge or corner resting in this problem. Edge or corner pa? A, B, C, say edge is resting. You see one of his edge is resting on HB and perpendicular to VP. With the edge we will keep to the left side and draw a pentagon. Then after that projection we need to draw a projection.
Sir, for that naming of points, we can start A from any point and do it in anti-clockwise.
A points I will keep it on in here only. You want to anti-clockwise, you can choose A here also. B, C, D, any point should.
Yes, sir, because in the assignment I started A from that E position and then I made it anti-clockwise.
No problem.
Okay, sir.
The final and ending should be then after that project it. We'll know what are the points are visible points. What are the points are visible points? A
dash, B dash,
okay,
and C dash.
B dash and C dash. D dash and E dash is the invisible. Okay. Surface inclination, how much is given? Surface inclination
30 degree.
30 degree. We need to transfer this first step or second step?
Second step.
Second step, draw a 45-degree line. Then after that, what are the dimensions there? Transfer it to the third step of 45 degree. This is a first draw a 45-degree line. Then after that, measure it. A dash is the A1 dash is the keeping center. What are the dimensions there? A dash to B dash and C dash converted into this line. Okay. Then after that, there is a C B1 dash D1 dash. C1 dash. Then tell me the fourth step is a projection vertically of each point, also same points. Horizontal projection also up to meeting of A1, B1, C1 and E1 and mark the points of A1, B1, C1, D1 and E1. Then finally connect all the points. Okay. It will be a reduced or original dimension. This pentagon will give a reduced dimension or original dimension compared to true shape. This fourth step, red color pentagon I draw now connecting of all projection. This A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 red pentagon which gives the reduced or original.
Reduced.
Yeah, reduced dimension. Okay, then tell me the fifth step. How much angle is given? How much angle is given? How much angle? Inclined, how much angle inclination? Inclined to HP or inclined to VP?
Sir, in the question it was said angle of 30 degree to VP, but you draw 45 degree.
Another read, surface inclination. And where is you rested? A regular pentagon lamina 30 mm side, one of is edge in HP. So where they will give surface inclination? Surface inclination will be the third step or normal inclination will be the third step? So one edge is resting on HP means what we need to assume? I told no this clearly simple problem itself. What we need to assume parallelly, if the edge is resting on HP means what we need to assume? If surface is inclined to HP means what need to assume? Last class also I told no. Some case they one of his edges resting on HP they will not give, but they will give surfaces inclined to HP means what we need to assume? Which one is parallel? Is parallel to HP or parallel to BP?
Parallel to HP.
So surface parallel to HP. So where we need to draw? We need to draw on inclination with respect to HP. Here directly they given all the data is given. A regular pentagonal lamina 30 mm of side, one of its edge on HP perpendicular to VP and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. Draw its projection when its surface is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So I want to draw 30 degree to VP or third step, or surface is inclined to 45 degree to HB as a third step. If the edge is resting on VP means the surface will be inclined to VP they will give. So third step will come on inclined to VP. But in this case, edge is resting on HP. Okay, then surface inclination will be we need to take as a third step.
Okay, sir. Yes, understood.
Now tell me the another incline. Which incline they give?
Now 30 degree.
30 degree to VP.
So 30 degree to VP. So draw a 30 degree line. Okay. Then they told us a edge or corner will be inclined at 30 degree to VP. What they told? Edge or corner. We drawn a 30 degree line. One condition they told. What condition they told? One of edge is HP and perpendicular to VP, and what is given? Edge is inclined or a corner is inclined? Edge or corner pa? You see guys, a regular pentagonal of lamina 30 mm side is one edge is on HP and perpendicular to VP and inclined at angle of 30 degree to VP. Edge or a corner?
Edge.
So we need to place edge should be on this 30 degree line. So how much dimension is there? Directly use a scale, measure it. How much is there? Is approximately I am drawn. It's not a dimension of 30 mm. I didn't draw as a. So tell me for my case how much is coming? You see me, A to E, that is the edge. How much is there? How much is there? A to E, A1 to E1. Hey, there will be 30 or what it will come? Say 30 means. For my case, I didn't draw as an exact dimension. I drawn one pentagon without dimension only. How much is there in my case? See my screen and tell that A1 to
20
E1.
mm.
Say 20. For you, it's a 30 it will come because exact dimension means say 30 it will come. Okay. Then after that, measure it with E1 to D1 and A1 to B1, C1 to D1 with the compass. You draw it with the angle. What are the angle is there? You need to use this angle only, not 72 degree. Okay. If you use 70 degree means this pentagon will come. But this is the reduced or original. Comparing this is the first case, this is second, fourth case, this is second, this is the third one. You compare with 1 and 4, which one is the reduced?
4.
So what are the dimension in 4? Same dimension will come on this final fifth question. So how much angle is there? So that angle will be, it will come on fifth question. Okay. So measure it, how much angle is there? Otherwise use a compass, very easy for you, measure it. If 72 is there means 72 will draw at what angle is there, you can draw with the angle only. E2 to D1, how much angle is there? Otherwise use a compass, measure it and convert it to final step. Okay. So pentagon. Otherwise one more easy step also I will tell you. You measure it the center distance. If some case 30 is there means marking from that 7 to this center point to C1 how much is there. Measure it, then cut it on compass, draw it on arc. For your easy drawing, for I am telling. A perpendicular line and measure it this center line to C1, cut it on this arc here using a compass. I will check it. Yes. So some case 25 is coming in. Measure it, cut it on. Okay. Then after that, C1 to D1. So for my case, it will not come compass. For my case, minimum is a 2.2 only in this compass. What are the dimensions there? Then measure it A1 to B1, then cut it on with this arc. Then after that, join with a thick line. Drawing with higher dimension because this will be not as a 2.2 like that, because my compass minimum is a 2.2, your compass will be, it will come lesser. Then finally mark the points. E2, A2, B2, C2, D2. Then finally, same procedure. After that, projection. What other projection is there? Projected from this A2 to where the meeting, and B2 and C2, D2, and finally E2. Then mark from horizontal line. A is coming at same reference line. B and D, and finally C point. After mark a points of A2, and this A1 dash will be the A2 dash is a point. Then B2 dash is a C2 dash, and is a D2 dash, and finally E2 dash. Then connected with the all the points. Is the final shape of pentagon. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me. What are the dimension on fourth step? Same dimension will be on fifth step. Okay. And second step, what are the dimensions there? Same dimension will be on third step. First, we need to draw a true shape, then projection will get the second step, and third will be surface inclination of 45 degree to HB. I drawn a first 45 degree line, then after that A dash is the center, and from that measure it and cut it on B dash and C1 dash. Then after that projection from A1 dash to B1 dash, C1 dash, E1 dash and D1 vertically. Then same horizontal projection from true shape A, B, C, D, and meeting point will be the A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. After that, I joined as a pentagon will get the reduced dimension. Then after that, one of its edges inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. So first I drawn a 30 degree line. Then after that, this edges. What are the dimension on fourth step? I converted, measure it, then after that directly are drawn on this 30 degree line, converted the points, and all the points are marked. Then after that vertical projection and horizontal projection. The meeting point is A2 dash, B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash, E2 dash. Then I connected the all the points. You have any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Just you try it, okay? You tell me what is given. Anyone read the question and tell me. This is a twisted question, but very easy. You tell me, guys, what is given, what geometry is given. Tell me the what is given. Hey, open your mouth and tell me, guys, what geometry is given, that is a pentagon or hexagon or rectangle. Read the question and tell me what geometry is given, where is it will rest, and where will be the third question, where will be the fifth question. Hey, read the question, Ra. Ganapati. Read the question and tell me what jump is given. How to draw this? Aditya Ramesh. Aditya Ramesh is there or not? Open your mouth and tell. Karendra Pratap Singh. Google Money. Kushakara. Hey, what are you doing there? Open your mouth and read the question, what they given. Aishanand.
Yes, sir.
Read the question and tell me.
Okay, sir. Sixth question.
Sixth question.
A pentagonal plate of side 30 mm rests on the ground on one of its corner, which sides containing the corner being equally inclined to the ground. The side opposite to the corner on which it rests is parallel and far away from the VP. The surface of the pentagon makes 40 degrees with the ground. Draw the top view and front view of the pentagon.
So what geometry is given is a pentagon. You know very well that this is a pentagon. It's a pentagon. So okay. Side how much is given? Side how much is given? Say 30 mm is given. And where is resting? Is on VP or HP? VP or HP pa?
HP.
So because that is a one of his the 30 mm rest on the ground on one of his corner, which sides containing the corner being equally inclined to the ground. So equally inclined means pentagon how much angle? Pentagon how much angle is there?
108 degree.
So 78, 72 or 108 you are using. So first we are drawing as a XY line and VHP. So is corner is resting. So corner will be on left side or right side?
Corner on left side.
So you want to draw first case or second case? First case or second case? This for this question. One of his
Second
corner.
case.
Yeah, second case. So corner will be on left side. Drawing point. Then after that, the corner being inclined to the ground. Surface inclination is given or not? Surface inclination.
Yes, sir. 40 degree given.
So placing a say A, B, C, D, E. Then A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash is invisible, E dash also invisible. So surface inclination how much is given? So 40 degree to the ground. You see, it's a pentagon makes a surface of the pen. It's a 40 degree angle in drawing. Then after that, A1 dash, B1 dash, E1 dash, C So up to this, you know very well this projection. A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. Where is the fifth question they gave? A pentagonal plate of side 30 mm rests on the ground on one of its corner, which is side containing the corner being inclined to the ground. So we drawn the side opposite to the corner on which is rest is parallel and far away from the VP. How to draw this problem? Of fifth step. Very easiest problem. They didn't provide an angle. The side opposite to the corner on which is rest is parallel and far away from the VP. How to draw this problem? The corner opposite side edge is which one? The corner is A. Opposite edge is which one? The corner opposite edge is which one? E1, B1 or C1, D1? This is, you see, the side opposite to the corner which is rest parallel and far away from the VP is given for fifth step. So which one is corner? We know AO is the corner. Opposite to the corner which edge is the C1 D1 or E1 B1? So C1 D1 is the opposite corner to the edge. Okay, this is the side opposite is corner which will be parallel and far away from the VP. The A is the corner, opposite is the C1 D1 edge, that is a far away from the VP. So from if I draw this C1 D1 is correct, or if I draw this like is correct. The first case and second case. The side opposite to the corner on which is rest is parallel and far away from the VP. The side opposite corner. The side opposite to the corner. So this is the opposite to the corner is a C1 D1. That is the side opposite to the corner. If I place this also edge is parallel. This edge also is parallel. So which one is correct? In this case, they given as a far away from the VP. If I place first one means what? Second one means which one is far away? The side opposite to the corner. You understand the question or not? This is nearer to one or which one is nearer? The first one pentagon is near or second pentagon is near? The edge opposite to the corner. This is the opposite corner. C1 D1 is the opposite corner. Okay. If I place C1 D1 here means is a nearer or far away for first case. You tell me for first case. Which one is correct? And place naming also, given naming also. Hey, which one is correct, pa? First one or second one? It's far away, one of his edges, that is side opposite to the corner. The side opposite to the corner is C1 D1 for this case. The rest is parallel. This we need to edge is parallel to VP and far away from the VP. Which one is correct? First case or second case?
Second case.
Yeah, we need to place a second case that is a far away from the VP. Measure the C2 and D2 and convert it to far away. Okay, then after that, this is the A2, C2, D2, E2, B2, then finally projection. A2 dash, this B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash, D. Then finally I'm connecting all the points. Is the final question. Because this is one edge is far away. If I place here means it's nearer and parallel to the VP. This one, that is the side opposite to the corner. This is the corner point. This is the opposite side. That C1 D1 is the opposite side of the corner. So I'm placing as a far away and parallel to the VP. Remaining problem you try it, okay? If you have any doubts you can ask now. Remaining problems you are going to try 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the assignment for you. This is like only the hexagon it will come. This is the last problem we solved. It's like only the hexagon problem will come for answers. So one of its corner resting on VP, the surface making of 35 degree to VP and top is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Okay. Then this one is a 30-60 set square. And finally, lamina. It's not a problem. Yeah, any doubt means you can ask. No? You try with the problems. Okay. If you have any doubt means you can ask now. Why Shannon?
Yes, sir.
You have any doubt?
No, sir. That I had one doubt. It is cleared, sir.
Any other? Aravind, Kumaresh, Deepan Kumar, Kunal, Ganapati, Adit Ramesh, Kakken, Arul Raj. Open your assignments. Anybody submitted your assignments? Planes?
Sir, I've submitted till 5th assignment. The 6th one I will do, sir, after making that site.
Karthikeyan completed it. Let's check it. Karthikeyan is there or not? Karthikeyan K. Karthikeyan, I'm returning your assignments. Change the sixth question and mark some of the question you didn't mark dimension. So mark the dimension and submit it. Any other? Is there any doubt in assignments? Means you can ask now. Assignment 5. I will open some of your assignments of 5. Three and 4. You can note your sheet number 3 and 4th mark. This is your sheet mark.
Sir. Scroll down, sir.
Ooh. Ah.
சார் நான் செகண்ட் அசைன்மெண்ட் ரீசப்மிட் பண்ணதை செக் பண்ணிட்டு மார்க் போடுறேன் சார். அதே
போட்டாச்சுப்பா
மார்க் தான் சார் இருக்கு.
அதே தான் போட்டிருக்கேன். அப்புறம் நான் நீ போட கொடுத்தது தான் போட்டிருக்கேன். நீங்க கரெக்ட் பண்ணது தான் நான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன்.
எஸ் சார் நான் 8 நினைச்சேன் சார்.
இல்லை 1 மார்க் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிருக்கல. 28ல இருந்து 29 கொடுத்துருக்கேன்ல. Any other? Ganapati 21.5, 24.5. Aishanand, where you did mistake in assignment 4?
I don't know, sir.
Last question you marked 100 mm.
Okay.
Where you marked? Inside or outside? Assignment 4, you check it. And one other person I want to show you, that is Chinta Swami. Arun Kumar, where is Arun Kumar? Arun Kumar and all, he drawing with using a hand, he is drawing as an arc. I'll show you. You see. Chinta Swami. Where is Chinta Swami? Some other person also is there. You see, this is a Chintan Swami assignment. He also drawing essay using hand. He's copied from someone. Using freehand sketch. And another
Sir, Kunal is asking in chat if you can show him his error.
Kunal assignment. Kunal, for this only I reduced the 65. All of them are in inside of same. For remaining and all, I didn't reduce. Okay. I will show you, Ganapati. You see, Ganapati, who will mark this dimension? No. Any other? Aravind. Aravind also. For this one, first question, he mark in inside of dimension. And another one. I sure game. Any other you want to see your paper, you can ask. I will show you now. After that, I will not show.
சார் என்னோட பேப்பர் ஆகாஷ் கிருஷ்ணன் சார்.
Number
20 ME 1002 சார்.
For first question, I reduced. This is assignment 4.
ஓகே சார். சரி சார், அசைன்மெண்ட் 3 தான் சார் 21 வந்திருக்கு. அதில் தான் சார் என்ன தப்புன்னு தெரியல.
You marked that's 8 mm, you see.
ஆமாம் சார். சாரி சார், இனி இது ரிப்பீட் ஆகாம பார்த்துக்கிறேன் சார்.
You see the dimension marking.
ஓகே சார்.
For all you do same thing.
ஓகே சார், இனி இது ரிப்பீட் ஆகாம பார்த்துக்கிறேன் சார். சாரி சார்.
Any other?
Sir, mine.
Name?
Bukke Navin Naik.
Okay, Navin Naik. Bukke Navin, I want to tell you something to you. It's assignment 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I draw a thin line, for
Okay.
writing of. Then after that, you see the marking dimension. எப்படி பண்ணிருக்க பாரு.
Okay, sir.
And locus of D dash.
Yes, sir.
And here also the line is not in straight. Okay, you draw a thin line. For given and all, no need to write with the lines. Okay. For
Okay, sir.
question, you need to write in a thin line. And don't mark mm and all. You draw here all dimension are in mm, na?
Okay, sir.
You need to draw mark dimension like that 65 in upward only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other? You see yours. This projection line should be a thin line.
Okay, sir.
Any other? Want to see the assignment 4 also?
Yes, sir. This one, for all commonly I reduced 0.5 more. You see locus of B dash Okay, sir.
and mm. See where is the dimension?
Oh.
See the dimension difference is there. Locus of P dash from starting and B ending.
Yes, sir. In that one, I got a small confusion. That's why.
You see, this is not a thin line, okay?
Okay, sir.
And draw a thin line between the letters. All dimension are in mm should be on bottom only. Don't write on top of it.
Okay, sir.
Either in left side or right side.
Okay, sir.
You see here also you didn't write locus of it and out you marked under dimension. Whatever you given procedure and all you are doing correct only. That's small mistake you are doing, correct it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other?
Mine, sir.
Lakshmi Narayanan. So I can't see the chat. You have to open your mouth and tell me. Lakshmi Narayanan. Lakshmi Narayanan. C. Okay. Where I reduce for you? Where is the arrow mark? And where is the dimension?
I forgot, sir.
Okay. This one, 100 mm you see. You are not having space at top means you can mark as a bottom also. Top view also. Any one side. Clear, Lakshmi
Okay, sir.
Narayanan?
I will correct it.
You want to see assignment 3?
Yes, sir.
This one for marking of dimension only. You see.
Okay.
And line you see. Any other?
Okay, sir. I will correct it.
Any other? Ooh. Anybody want to see your paper? Assignment sheet? Evaluated sheet? Okay. Balaji 10. Besto. I want to tell Besto also. Don't write alpha and all. You need to use symbol only, mathematical symbol only. Okay, don't write alpha. For my case, I am writing means for my case there is no symbol is registered, so I am writing. Balaji, your number 9, I think. For this dimension, you see. Purida Balaji.
Yes, sir.
And here also you see. Reversive marking. Any other
Sir, mine.
name?
Deepan Kumar.
Deepan Kumar. You want to say assignment 3 or 4?
Both, sir.
Number?
20 ME 1017.
Deepan Kumar. Deepan Kumar. Where is the arrow mark? Where is the arrow mark? And this case
Forgot.
using
Sorry.
this question dimension. Did exactly means I am giving maximum. You see, for this case I am going to use for dimension. Here also for dimension. Assignment 4. 17. Demon Kumar. See, for this case. All dimension are mm and 100 mm. Okay. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Deepan
Thank you,
Kumar. Any other? Okay, guys. So maximum this semester there will be not an end semester examination based on your internal mark only. They will going to award mark. So be serious. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.